guys. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Vlogtober.
Day 12.
Day 12. I am sorry. We were having a little debate on a new little intro, but I got vetoed by Juliet. So I'm not going to say it unless we get enough requests. If you really want me to say what I would like to say in the intro, comment below and then maybe we'll share it. But Juliet, she wasn't into it. Anyways, if you are new, we are counting down to Halloween and this is Vlogtober day 12. If you've missed days 1 through 11, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist and I will link it above and below and you can catch up on all of the unboxing fun. What Juliet and I are doing is we are counting down to Halloween. So it's 31 videos in 31 days, opening gifts or any of the magic that Grammi Dice sends us. Today we have one gift. It is a family gift. Show the people and then you can open. Oh.
It's stickies.
It's a lot of stickies.
Oh.
Those are sort of intense.
Oh my god.
Oh, Mom. Let's just...
Look, put these on Nicholas's door.
I might be regifting these.
Why?
They're a little intense.
Can we keep the butterflies at least?
Okay, but like these... Mom, what are you doing?
Oh yeah, Dad might use that on you.
Yeah, he's gonna scare us. Let's look at the other ones. See, we like spiders like this.
We like Lucas's spider.
Little cutesy ones. So these are little, we'll put these on the wall or you can put them on your pumpkins. These are really cute. We got a couple of these. Love it. You show that one. We should, decorate like our kitchen windows with these because we never do anything in the kitchen. So that would be fun. And then we got these cute pumpkins and bats, witch hats, and stars, and a cat. Let me see. Can they see?
Yeah.
Okay. So cute. And then
We got these.
we got those. Yeah, it's very realistic. Thanks, Mom.
I like them.
I like everything. I just don't like the tarantulas. They're too realistic.
You can put them in Dad's
There's
drawer.
even like texture on them. Oh, let's turn them over. These are awesome. I'm sure I sound like super ungrateful. I am not ungrateful. I just have a bit of I've worked on it, but I do have a little arachnophobia from childhood. But I've gotten better. I can catch and release little ones. Okay, that is it for day 12. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 13. And thank you so much for watching.
Bye.